So what's up guys, welcome back. Today we're doing like a how to create a ladder in GDevelop and Gumshoe platform. So we're going to show you. Let's climb up and these can jump through. So yeah, we're going to create more of those, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe and like. Okay guys, welcome up to this video. It's gonna be very short, and I know I haven't created some videos for a long time now because I'm going back to high school now and just getting right back into my grades. Yeah. So we're gonna create a sprite. So I guess we're gonna create letter first. I already got a letter drawn, of course. So let's get a platform. You guys must be saying, why platform? Because we have other types of platform. We're gonna click ladder. Let's just name this back to ladder as well. Just put this out. Let's hit play. Now you guys see, I'm climbing the ladder and stuff. So yeah. So now let's create a Gumshoe platform. So I'm gonna create sprite. To give the behavior of a platform, and just say Gumshoe platform, and just that's it guys. Simple as that. So let's click here. So yeah guys, so please subscribe, like, we need more subscribers. So yeah, please, thank you guys for watching.